Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can change wallpaper in iPhone. So let's go to settings first. Scroll down and you will find wallpaper option here. Click on this and you can see your current wallpaper here. If you want to change your wallpaper, just scroll here, and if you don't find anything, just click on this add new wallpaper. Then you will find different type of wallpaper here. Just choose one and set it like this. I'm choosing this astronomy, the first one. Allow ons. Now if you want to add this, you can see here on top right corner add option. Click on this add and then set as wallpaper pair. Click on this. Now let's see wallpaper has changed. Okay guys, so this is how you can change wallpaper in iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.